In today's data-driven world, the pace is relentless. Are you constantly sifting through spreadsheets, grappling with complex formulas, and feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information? You're not alone. The challenge of transforming raw data into actionable insights has never been greater. But what if you had a Copilot, an intelligent assistant that could anticipate your needs, write your formulas, and reveal hidden patterns? Welcome to AI-powered Excel from data to decision. This isn't just another Excel course. It's your definitive guide to leveraging artificial intelligence to revolutionize your data workflow. We'll start by unleashing the power of natural language. Imagine simply telling Excel what you want to achieve. With tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot, you'll learn to generate intricate formulas in seconds, transforming complex tasks into simple prompts. Need to calculate the average sales for a specific product category over the last 6 months? Just ask. Then, we dive deep into advanced analysis. Discover how AI can help you automatically summarize vast datasets, create insightful pivot tables and charts effortlessly, and generate stunning data visualizations that tell compelling stories. Forget guesswork. Let AI illuminate the path to understanding your data. Beyond analysis lies automation. Repetitive tasks are a drain on productivity. But not anymore. We'll show you how to leverage AI to write custom scripts and macros, automating your most tedious duties, from generating reports to sending out personalized emails. And for workflows that span across applications, we'll introduce you to the powerful integration with Power Automate and AI Builder. Imagine Excel data triggering actions in other apps, or AI automatically extracting key information from documents and populating your spreadsheets. The possibilities are limitless. This course isn't just about learning features, it's about transforming your impact. For finance professionals, you'll accelerate budget analysis and forecasting. For marketing teams, you'll swiftly uncover campaign insights and customer trends. HR departments will streamline reporting and talent analytics. If you're an analyst, a manager, an entrepreneur, or anyone looking to gain a competitive edge and become a true data innovator, this course is designed for you. Our comprehensive curriculum guides you step by step, from foundational AI concepts to advanced applications, ethical considerations, and future trends. You'll master prompt engineering, learn to critically validate AI outputs, and understand how to securely integrate these powerful tools into your daily operations. We'll equip you not just with skills, but with a new mindset for approaching data. Stop just crunching numbers and start leading with insights. Embrace the future of data and unlock unparalleled efficiency and intelligence. Enroll in AI-powered Excel from data to decision today.